As a facility director in senior care, you carry a heavy burden. You aren't just managing light bulbs and HVAC filters, you are protecting the lives of vulnerable seniors, managing stressed out staff, and trying to keep your head above water. But let me ask you a brutal question. What is the number one thing completely within your control that can utterly destroy your business overnight? It's not a broken boiler. It's not a budget cut. It's losing your adult family home license, your assisted living facility license, or your nursing home license. You know how the system works. If a state surveyor walks through your doors tomorrow and hands you an Immediate Jeopardy IJ citation, your license is instantly placed on the fast track to termination, and from that moment, you have as few as 23 days to resolve the issue to the satisfaction of the survey team. The clock is ticking, the stress is suffocating, and the survival of your entire facility is on the line. But what if you could build an invisible wall around your license? Today, we're talking about how to safeguard your business by building Survey Shield PMs. So, what is a Survey Shield PM? Regular preventative maintenance and repairs keeps things running normally. However, a Survey Shield PM is different. It is a highly specialized checklist explicitly designed around everything state and federal CMMS surveyors look for. Think of it as your proactive defense plan. Instead of reacting when a surveyor points out a loose handrail, a non-working exit sign, or an expired fire extinguisher, your maintenance team has already checked, logged, and signed off on it. The surveyor never sees it because it is never a problem to begin with. To build a true Survey Shield PM, you must move away from the worst liability trap in senior care, the paper binder. Paper and logs get lost, misplaced, coffee gets spilled on them, and worst of all, it doesn't prove when or how a task was actually completed. To make this work, we need a digital backbone, a CMMS. If a problem is found, they can generate a work order and the work can be scheduled when parts are available. The issue is digitally documented, tracked, and planned. Embracing that your maintenance department is the central nervous system of your facility may be the key thing you are missing. The CMMS is what pulls it all together. It is your maintenance document repository, the keeper and scheduler of the checks which have to be done to keep your license. It's the maintainer of the truth of your facility, the reporting hub of your compliance efforts, and the spare parts tracker. It's the place where your technicians can learn what repairs in the past worked or didn't work. It shows you the total cost of your asset management. In short, it is an invaluable resource tool. So, how do you actually implement this without overwhelming your already busy team? Here is the exact process to get your Survey Shield up and running. 1. Choose and configure your CMMS during weeks 1 and 2. Appoint a CMMS captain or project leader. Select a user-friendly CMMS. We recommend Maintain X. Import your equipment, generators, fire doors, backflow preventers, water heaters, and assign them unique QR codes or asset numbers so techs can scan them directly in the field. 2. Build the Survey Shield checklist during weeks 3 and 4. Do not just write check generator. Your Survey Shield PM steps must match state and federal regulations. For example, a mandatory monthly check such as exercise generator under load for a minimum of 30 minutes. This example is specified by CMS KTAG 918. 3. Train and ensure your technicians can utilize the new CMMS system during week 5. Have the staff go through the CMMS training modules and develop confidence using the mobile reporting app. Show your team that the CMMS isn't micromanagement, it is their protection. When they digitally sign off on a task and attach a photo of a temperature readout, they are building the facility's legal defense. 4. Appoint a CMMS administrator for ongoing oversight of the CMMS. Just as maintenance is a never-ending marathon, ongoing improvement and updating of the CMMS ensures the system reflects current reality and stays compliant with the always moving regulatory goalpost. Designate an admin, or take this role yourself, to review the dashboard weekly. Their job is to ensure that no Survey Shield PM falls behind. If a critical compliance PM is overdue, it needs to be flagged immediately. If regulations change, the appropriate Survey Shield PM needs to be updated and the maintenance team notified. When the state surveyors walk through your front door, you shouldn't feel a pit in your stomach. With the Survey Shield PMs active in your CMMS, you can confidently hand them an iPad, pull up your complete history of flawlessly executed PMs, and show them exactly how you protect your residents every single day. You turn a high-stress inspection into a routine demonstration of your competence and excellence. To make this transition easy for you, we've put together a step-by-step guide. Click the link in the description below to download our free guide to building your Survey Shield. Let's get your license protected so you can focus on what you do best, caring for your residents. Affiliate link disclosure. Buying through these links supports the channel with a small commission at zero extra cost to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another facility director who needs to hear this today. See you in the next video.